He's going in the water turf to get the bobber because that he broke. Ew, your legs are so white.
Oh, it's cold.
Man, Dad, you should clean a fish got.
Oh, shit, it's so cold.
Is it as cold as our pool water?
Oh, you took it.
No.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. The dirty stuff is still on your shoe.
Oh my God.
Why did you not take off your socks?
Got it, Haley. Reel it in. Reel it in. Oh, you lost it. Good try. Is he still there? Bison, you got one? Oh, that's Maddie.
Got a big one
That's a
too.
big one. Bring it over here, Maddie.
Bison threw it and hit Maddie. Maddie threw it and hit Maddie.
See what she caught. Wow.
What is that?
Try again, Haley.
What is that?
What was that?
Try again. Come on, Maddie.
What is this?
Ah, he lost it.
Good job, Maddie. Haley, you got one, Haley? You got one? You lost it. You're supposed to yank it up like this, girl. Let me go see this guy. Let's see what this guy's getting. What you got, Bison? A bowhead? Yeah, Sonny, good job. Finally.